How to compare with yori and no hoga.
じゃあ、おめえは地球の未来よりご飯の勉強の方が大事だって言うんか？
当たり前だ。ご飯ちゃんの勉強の方が大事に決まってるだよ。
So here we have a combination of two pieces of language that is used to compare two things. Literally, it's used to express that something is more of a quality than the other thing. And so here we can see B yori, A no hoga, dun dun dun. That's used to express that A is more dun 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 than B. But don't worry about the ordering too much, because yori and no hoga can actually be swapped places, so they can both become before or after one another. Just remember that the thing that comes before yori, that is going to be what is less. More than, that's what yori means. No hoga means the direction of this is dun dun dun. So more than B, A is more dun dun dun. So like here in Final Fantasy VII Crisis Core, more than a sword, so ken yori, more than the sword, you, omae no hoga taisetsu. You are more important. Taisetsu here being that quality, important. So you are more important than a sword.
Ken yori mo omae no hoga taisetsu da.
And so like here we can see more than travel expenses, baggage handling is more cheap, or is cheaper. So we can see that the placement gets moved around, but the meaning still stays the same. Whatever is before yori is the lesser, and whatever is before no hoga is more. So more than travel expenses, baggage handling is cheaper.
荷物扱いの方が旅費より安いからな。
More than you guys, this boy is stronger.
この少年の方がお主たちよりも強いとわしは思うぞ。
この俺よりお前の方が強いだ。
なんだと？気に入らんな。今の言い方だと貴様の方が俺より実力が上だと言っているように聞こえる。
More than this country, other countries are more important.
お前はこの国よりも他の国の方が大事なのか？
More than anyone else, I like them more.
私の方が他の誰よりもあなたのことを好きだって自信がありますから。
And this no hoga can also be used just by itself, because you don't necessarily need to actually have the direct object that you're comparing to say that something is better or something is more a certain quality. So like here, watashi no hoga one-chan. That means I am more in the direction of being a bigger sister. I am more of a bigger sister. Than who isn't clearly stated, but probably the person she's talking to, or perhaps anyone else included in the conversation or situation.
私全然追いつけない。それはね、私の方がお姉ちゃんだからです。
Or like here, are sweets better? Something no hoga ii. What is it that he's comparing to isn't clear, but we can see that he's saying, is this the better option? So remember that ho is like the direction or the side. So is this direction or is this side E good? Is this better?
それともお菓子の方がいいかな。甘いのとしょっぱいのどっちがいい？
Or like here in Lego Star Wars with Anakin and Obi-Wan fighting, I am more advantageous. This is the Japanese version of I have the high ground. So, watashi no hoga yuri da. So I'm the one that's in a more advantageous position.
終わりだ、アナキ。私の方が有利だ。
There is another similar grammar point when used with the past tense form of a verb. Ta hogai is actually used to express like a recommendation, like almost you should do an action. But we'll have a separate episode that's looking entirely at that grammar point. Just remember that both yori and no hogai can be used to compare two things in their quality. You are more important than a sword. That country is more important than this country. More than anyone, I'm the one that dun dun dun. So hopefully that video was helpful for you to get familiar with yori and no hoga dun 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 to express that one thing is more something than the other. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much guys for watching. As always, a huge shout out to all of the supporters on the Game Gengo Discord community through either the Game Gengo website or through Patreon. Thanks so much guys for all of your support. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you really love the video, then consider joining us on the Game Gengo Discord community. Thanks so much guys for watching. Have fun learning Japanese. And as always, I'll see you again in the next video. See ya.